Welcome back to Glo Tech. We're all about that tech grind here, helping you guys level up your skills and unlock some serious earning potential. And today, we're diving deep into the world of Java, one of the most powerful, versatile, and in-demand programming languages out there. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Java? Isn't that like old news? But trust me, Java is far from over. It's the backbone of countless applications, from those apps you use every day, to the complex systems powering global businesses. And that translates to some serious earning potential for skilled Java developers. We're talking about the kind of money that can change your life. Think $30,000 a month or more. Yeah, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to break down why Java is still a top contender in the tech world, show you the real-world applications where Java reigns supreme, and give you the roadmap to start your own journey to Java mastery and financial freedom. Let's get into it. So, first things first, why Java? In a world flooded with programming languages, what makes Java so special? Well, for starters, it's been around for a while, and I mean a while. Java's been a major player in the tech game for over 2 decades, and that longevity isn't just a coincidence. Java's power lies in its versatility. It's platform independent, meaning it can run on pretty much any device or operating system. That makes it incredibly valuable for businesses big and small. Think about it. They don't have to rewrite their entire code base every time they switch platforms. Java's got their back. And let's talk about demand. Companies across the globe are constantly on the hunt for skilled Java developers, and they're willing to pay top dollar to find them. Why? Because Java is everywhere. From Android apps to web applications, enterprise software, and even the financial sector, Java is the driving force behind countless industries. This high demand translates into some seriously competitive salaries, and we're talking about the potential to earn upwards of $30,000 a month. Alright, so we've established that Java is everywhere, but let's get specific. Where exactly are you going to find this coding powerhouse in action? Well, let's start with something you probably use every day, your phone. Java is a primary language for Android app development, which means every time you open Instagram, scroll through TikTok, or order food online, there's a good chance Java is working behind the scenes, but Java's reach goes way beyond your pocket. It's the go-to language for building robust and secure back-end systems that power everything from e-commerce websites to financial institutions. Think about those online banking apps you use or the systems that process millions of transactions every day. Yep, Java's likely involved. And if you're thinking big data, think Java. It's a favorite among data scientists and engineers for building complex algorithms and analyzing massive data sets. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix rely heavily on Java for their data-driven operations. So, yeah, Java's kind of a big deal. Chapter 3. From Code to Cash, your Java earning playbook. Now, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, how to turn your Java skills into a steady stream of income. And the good news is, there are multiple paths you can take. One popular option is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with businesses looking for talented Java developers to build websites, create apps, and tackle various other projects. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own rates, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. If you're more into the idea of working directly with companies, consulting might be the perfect fit. As a Java consultant, you'll use your expertise to help businesses solve complex technical challenges, optimize their systems, and develop innovative solutions. This path often comes with higher earning potential and the opportunity to work on some seriously interesting projects. And for those of you with an entrepreneurial spirit, why not build your own product? Java's versatility makes it ideal for creating everything from mobile games to SaaS platforms. Think about it. You could be sitting on the next big tech innovation. Chapter 4, Level Up Your Earnings Java Pro Tips. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the world of Java and start raking in the big bucks. Awesome! But how do you stand out from the crowd and maximize your earning potential? Here are a few pro tips to keep in mind. First off, specialize. Java is a vast language, and the more specialized your skills, the more valuable you become. Consider focusing on high-demand areas like mobile app development, cloud computing, or big data. Become an expert in your niche and you'll be amazed at the doors it opens. Secondly, never stop learning. The tech world moves fast, and what's hot today might be obsolete tomorrow. Make continuous learning a priority. Stay updated on the latest Java frameworks, tools, and trends. Finally, network like crazy. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other Java developers. Networking can open doors to exciting job opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Chapter 5. Start your Java journey today. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm a complete beginner. Can I really learn Java and achieve this level of success? And the answer is a resounding yes. Getting started with Java is easier than you might think. There are tons of amazing resources available online, from interactive coding platforms like Code Academy to comprehensive courses on Udemy and Coursera. Start with the basics, build a strong foundation, and gradually work your way up to more advanced concepts. Remember, learning to code is like learning any new skill. It takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't become a coding wizard overnight. Embrace the learning process, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, have fun with it. Outro: code your way to freedom. So there you have it, guys. That's a glimpse into the incredible world of Java and the life-changing earning potential it holds. Remember, at Glo Tech, we're all about empowering you to take control of your future and achieve financial freedom through tech. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to level up your skills, Java offers a clear path to a lucrative and fulfilling career. You don't need to be a genius or have a fancy computer science degree to succeed. With dedication, the right resources, and a willingness to learn, you can unlock incredible opportunities in the tech world. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and career advice, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who's ready to take their tech game to the next level, and be sure to drop a comment below. Let me know what your biggest dream as a developer is. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep pushing towards your goals. Peace.